Good morning. Doing a little fishing out here on the west side. Got him. All right, number one in the boat, baby. Okay, good snapper. If he was a little bigger, eat him, but with him, this is good size bait. That's what we like to see right there. Yep. Fish on, baby. Nice. Beautiful sunrise as always. You know, that really never gets old. We're out here in about 300 foot, looking for some pelagics. They're a little deeper now. Still there at 50 though, holding strong. Oh, this feels like a full stringer as well.
Right at the bottom there?
Oh no, 100 feet.
60 to 120.
Yeah, put that one out first. Hey, anybody need bait? Yeah. You say you good? Yeah. I got too much. Yeah. Just grab and pull. Yep.
Yes. Oh, yes. One at least right there. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Oh, you get bait.
Did pretty good.
Yep. Opelu.
hookfin. You know, got this right here.
Okay. Should be around here. Pick up with an
You know, the plan altered a little bit just because we were able to hook into some Opelu, which, you know, you really should take advantage of if you're able to. So, you know, if we don't catch anything by, say, 10 a.m., yeah, we're gonna go in and see if we can't drop some squid to the bottom at about 150 feet. Really nice conditions, man. And I think we should be, yep, tapping into 300 foot. Put out another Halalu. Before we go over this ledge, so that you can get it swim on. Greg's hooked up.
What was that?
Straight below me. I don't know, still can't tell. Now it's not fighting like a shark. Maybe a lure.
Probably a sheepy. Probably a sheep. You looked at it.
Probably grab by my leg. Grab by shark. Grab by the whale. That's as far down there as my penis is long, so it's pretty far down there, you know?
Man, it's fun because it's on the light action rod too. All right.
Yeah, one big Galapagos. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, he just came up to about probably 30 and he's getting off, so.
I'm gonna head down to Miley Point, see what's going on. You got about bait and that's it. Go on, Brandon. Yeah, what's up?
Oh, we got.
Run 180.
That was my last Opelu. My others died.
There he is.
I think it's more big though.
It looks like an Ono. It looks like an Ono, believe it or not. Yep, it's a nice looking Wahoo. Where the hell did my gaff go? What a freaking day. My gaff went so, oh, right here, thank God. Yeah. Hey, nice. Ah, nice. Got about a 50-pound Ono. Whoo! Nice. Look at that, look at that. Right there, corner of the mouth, boy. Yeah. Oh no. Yee. All right, let's kill this dude and get him in the bag. Two Wahoo steaks, we're gonna bake them. Basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna make a foil purse. They have a lot of oils in them already, so you don't have to go like super crazy on it, but it's black pepper, onion powder, allspice, got some Lowry seasoned salt. And that's really all that we're gonna use on here. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna score this thing, so because they're pretty thick. American fishing wire. This one's in coffee color. It's 37-pound test. I typically don't go any more than that, just because of the diameter gets a little crazy sometimes. It starts to get real thick after that. And it's just my personal preference. I like this one. And I always use some Gamakatsu live bait hooks. Now this one's a 4/0 and this one's a 3/0. Always put the 4/0 first, and the 3/0 is going to be the trailer. Really simple stuff. Take about 18 inches or so for the first piece. You're going to take your hook and pass it through the eye, and then basically make a loop in it like that. That's what you want, that X right there. Then you're just going to you're going to pinch that X and you're going to spin. Should start making like nice little twists like that. 3 to 5 of those. Okay, now once you get that done, you're just going to bend your tag end all the way down that you're not going to use. You're going to make a 90-degree angle with that. And you're just going to do some wraps around it. Nice, clean, tight wraps. And you're just going to do the same thing, pretty much pinch it and just wrap it around about 3 to 5 times. And all you're left with is that right there. And for the second hook, I like to make that about 12 inches. 12 to 14 inches, really. So with that, go on. Take your hook on the opposite side. Yeah. Just do the same haywire twist. And basically what I like to do is I like to put a upright knot connecting this to my leader. And pretty much there you have it. That's my tandem wire rig.